is a good friend of the Cecil. Billy signed Cecil kasi wanted me to Cecil at Chicago. It's down. Cecil go to Chicago because he wants to continue studying to Chicago for study. And this leader was sent to Chicago. And here Billy said that he very miss Cecil because he was lost in the way without Cecil. It is very boring his missions because without Cecil. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Lagi question to Muhammad lah. What the concept you met today?
Huh?
What the concept you met today?
This leader accepted. And because I really want to meet Cecil and Chicago. And he really say that he want to meet Cecil. Why you want to go to the Chicago? And also, really want to continue study to abroad in Chicago too. And then you will meet Cecil. And you will continue study too.
When you feeling bully that this long way for the session and study in the school.
Huh?
When you bully feel?
It is so sad, you know, Cecil, because really Cecil was a good friend and best friend.